Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and connectivity, a low battery or lost Bluetooth interrupt setup. On your phone, keep Bluetooth on and stay within a few meters. Open the watch settings, then security or lock and choose a lock method, PIN, pattern, or biometric if supported. When prompted, follow on-screen pairing steps and confirm your phone as a trusted device. Once done, write down or securely store your PIN. This prevents lockout if biometrics fail. Move to configuring behavior next. Now you configure how the lock behaves so it matches daily use. Choose an automatic timeout short enough to protect data, but long enough to avoid nuisance locks. 1 to 2 minutes is common. Make sure trusted devices, like your phone, are listed so the watch can stay unlocked nearby. Enable wrist detection and a secure PIN fallback for sensors that misread. Also decide whether notifications show on the locked screen. Restrict sensitive previews to protect privacy. Test the settings to verify they act as expected. Finish by actively testing every path. Lock by timeout, remove the watch, then unlock with your chosen method. Confirm emergency access or SOS still works while locked. Backup settings to your phone or cloud so you can restore them after repairs. If something goes wrong, like forgotten PIN or failed biometrics, try unlocking via the paired phone first. Most systems offer that. If that fails, factory reset restores access but erases data, so treat it as a last resort. Keep recovery info secure to avoid future lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.